Hello everyone, welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to be talking about a recipe and showing you guys a demonstration involving lentils with cumin vinaigrette. This recipe was actually taken from the Med Instead of Meds program. I had no idea what lentils were. They're actually very similar to beans. They grow in pods and are solid dry. Now, lentils are a great substitute for any meats because they're very high in protein. So that being said, let's get started with our recipe. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed our recipe for today. For more recipes like this, please visit our website, linked right here on the screen.